Secure VPN, a safer internet. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install and download this app and overview. So you can see the call of the app Secure VPN, safer internet. You can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. You can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5 and 1 million reviews and 4.8 size of the app. It's too light and 100 plus million plus people already uses this app. So this is really easy to use if you want to see. So after installing, you will see the interface like that. So simply click on connect and you can choose any countries you want. So there are some VIP or premium, you will get some free access. So you can select free, then you can also you can see some streaming, and it's really easy. And you will also check your download speed, your duration speed, your upload speed through this app, and simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.